Why does a XRP lawyer wish the SEC the worst? Well, it all started when the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission decided to dismiss its claims against Ripple's executives in Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen. This decision didn't sit well with legal expert Bill Morgan, who took to his X platform, formerly Twitter, to express his sentiments. In a series of posts, Morgan sincerely wished the commission all the worst in the penalties phase of the litigation. He even hoped that the court would award the court with smallest penalties possible.
But what exactly is this penalty phase that Morgan is referring to?
The penalty phase is the period in which the SEC and Ripple are expected to meet and settle on the possible fine that Ripple has to pay regarding institutional sales. Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that these sales constituted investment contracts. However, if both parties cannot agree on a remedy, Judge Torres might have to step in. And meanwhile, the scheduled trial to hear the SEC's case against Ripple and its founders has been following the Commission's dismissal of its claims against Garlinghouse and Larsen. Contrary to popular belief, the SEC cannot immediately proceed to appeal. Judge Torres will need to give a final judgment, acknowledging the SEC's dismissal and deciding on remedies for the violation with respect to the institutional sales. But why does Morgan wish the SEC the worst? In his preceding tweets, he laid a foundation for his lack of remorse towards the commission. He referred to when the SEC first filed its lawsuit against Ripple and its founders. We highlighted how the commission sought an injunction to stop any future sale of XRP by Ripple, which would have had devastating consequences for Garlinghouse and Larsen. According to Morgan, the SEC's actions would have ruined Ripple and deeply adversely affected the livelihood and lives of the executives. What's more, he pointed out that there were no allegations of fraud against Ripple and its executives, nor any evidence of investor harm. Despite this, the regulator allegedly did everything possible to delay the matter and increase the defendants' legal costs. Ripple's co-founder Chris Larsen echoed similar sentiments, stating that the SEC needed to be held accountable for its actions. He criticized the commission for coming after him and Garlinghouse with baseless claims and damaging the country's global standing as the home for innovation. In the end, it seems that the pro-XRP lawyer's wishes for the SEC are rooted in his belief that the commission's actions have been unjust and detrimental to Ripple considerations and its founders. As the legal battle continues, only time will tell what the final outcome will be. And now, for a short joke, why did the cryptocurrency go to therapy? Because it had too many issues with its blockchain. With that said, thanks for watching, and we are not really working until next time.